Welcome to the topic on directives, ngE, ngSwitch, and Attribute. In this session, we'll explore Angular directives, a powerful feature that allows you to extend HTML with custom behaviors and functionalities. We'll focus on three common structural directives, ngIf, ngFor, and ngSwitch, and also cover attribute directives. Structural directives. Directives are special instructions that tell Angular how to manipulate the DOM-DO document object model. They are used to transform the appearance or behavior of elements in the template. Structural directives are a type of directive that allows you to change the structure of the DOM by adding or removing elements. The most commonly used structural directives are ngIf. The ngIf directive conditionally renders elements based on a given expression. When the expression evaluates to true, the element is rendered. Otherwise, it is removed from the DOM. The ngFor directive allows you to iterate over a collection and render elements for each item in the collection. ngSwitch. The ngSwitch directive conditionally renders elements based on multiple expressions. It works similarly to a switch statement in JavaScript. Attribute directives. Attribute directives are another type of directive that changes the appearance or behavior of elements. Unlike structural directives, attribute directives do not add or remove elements but modify the behavior of existing ones. Commonly used attribute directives. ngStyle. The ngStyle directive allows you to dynamically apply inline CSS styles to elements based on expressions in your component. ngClass. The ngClass directive enables you to conditionally apply CSS classes to elements based on expressions. Angular directives are a powerful tool for extending HTML and enhancing the behavior and appearance of your application. Structural directives, such as ngAE, and car, and ngSwitch, enable you to manipulate the DOM by adding or removing elements based on conditions. Attribute directives like ngStyle and ngClass modify the behavior of existing elements by dynamically applying CSS styles and classes. In the next chapter, we'll dive deeper into more advanced Angular concepts to further enhance your development skills.